Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Ciano Aqua 30. Firstly, remove all the items from the packaging and verify that you have all components, including aquarium tank, lid with LED light, internal filter, and any additional accessories. Place the aquarium on the table, flat safe, capable of supporting its weight when filled with water. Ensure the location is away from direct sunlight and temperature. The Aqua 30 comes equipped with the CF40 internal filtration system, designated to maintain crystal clear water with minimal effort. Attach the filter inside the aquarium according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring it is securely positioned. Rinse the chosen substrate, gravel or sand, thoroughly to remove dust and debris. Evenly spread the substrate at the bottom of the tank and place any decorations or plants, you ensuring they do not obstruct filter or heater. Fill in the tank with dechlorinated water, leaving some space at the top to prevent overflow when adding equipment or fish. Use a water conditioner, and if you plan to keep tropical fish, install an aquarium heater to maintain a stable temperature. The Aqua 30 features a low-voltage LED light system integrated into the hinged lid for safety and ease of use. Ensure the lighting is properly connected and functional. Once the nitrogen cycle is complete, when you add it and water parameters are stable, start adding fish slowly to avoid overloading the biological filtration system. Perform regular water changes, typically to 10 to 20% weekly to maintain water quality, and clean the filter media as recommended by the manufacturer to remove or ensure optimal performance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.